Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haba phai chaka jinglei thap kerteng jongi kertong ki ban saya khun ya ka election MLA mentau snam ka ban long ha ka arp nyu tarik mentau banai ramphang hne ka singi ka lai tarik tang ha East Khasiels district kila don khat arngut baro ki bala dep thap kerteng na ki seng sain perthai ba pher ki kertong ki bala thap kerteng hne ka singi ki kenthop ya uba Olan Singh Suny u kertong ka United Democratic Party na Mawson Ram constituency nang ta kilangot ki kertong jong ka seng khun nyau trap National Awakening Movement bakenthop ya uba Adelbert Nongrum uban ya khun na ka North Shillong constituency nang ta uba Banri Lang Nongbri na Molai constituency bat u Dr. Moses Kharbithai uban ya khun na Moring Keneng constituency na ka seng National People's Party NPP kila don hadu nreungut kibla thap kerteng negasngi bakenthop ya uba e kupar Nongrum uban ya khun na Nong Thamai constituency uba Preston Tensong na Penusla constituency uba HS Sila na Nongkrem constituency uba Penyat Sings Iem na Mauring Keneng constituency uba Remington Pingrop na Maukenro bat Ulaplu M Sangma na ka Mawson Ram constituency na ka seng Indian National Congress la don tang uwe ubala dep thap kerteng negasngi katau MLA pementa ka Soayong constituency uba HDR Lingdo uban ya khun na ka Indian National Congress bat uwe pat uday kertong jong ka seng Lok Jan Shakti Party uba Donlang Nongbri uban ya khun na Molai constituency ha West Jantia Hills district pan ubala dep thap kerteng negasngi uday kertong jong ka United Democratic Party uban ya khun na Jawai constituency.
Having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in 17 North Shillong Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Kubakalong kimat kibun ma lenga senguba kabanikong tam dari isu responsibility the vision wa kumkinong mikmat lara kadai ka bublay ibet yang man say sa kamat kumu MLA wanong no mikmat juga constituency ka masuk tai kabanikong do kibun ba kimat si nekaran ni kalaban jerong laban kedang alis tolong med si kumbakalong ni kani di banta juga urban dari kuasor ni ka congestion dari koi ka ba create problem e paro ni saudong saubun juga city bro ko ti ka ba masuk ka mat joki samla kunungin thalwa thunti kunungin wat la klenti menyerap nak banta joki marki bon ki ba ki samla ki ba nanan la start ba la joki pulio per ki ot ki nam bat mata kadon ke jingi ko bakrau kadang impet barang imbu ya kamat ko bani ko bakamat du na ko kata banai banta joki
mal pisa confident halu kan no jab khamtam le mata harian bangi iba MLA mata mi khonsho bat hangte ka constituency ka phia lagi jingnon tribal bo
vision confident ngalong 100% confident amar ko galong ba ngampat jukriya nongrim menoru ngampat jukaran dian menoru no ti ngadi ubrio boyang be hala ka jong principal mane khon namta ka kos ndai tang ni ki indigenous khasi ndai ngaung ha basai lumba ki media bana ka pentak indigenous non tribal ru mo ki fellow citizen no ki bedon rekat ani bo constituency jonga ngan haban proof dia but for solo ngila misuse both indigenous khasi both indigenous non tribal just to win the election it serves no purpose just winning election without doing anything for the coming generation hi ka nga ship tani ko wilada kemai kalan mungkin proof oh marfo marhibo bon ki senam ngelai babun ki job collection ke objektif ke jongki datang ban job collection bat ban clear pada ke ko kido marim i ka kadi lo ta nong rim ko ba imyo confident di bat ko mengapai kan ke last selection hapring ke stage of confusion ko ba la khaliap ka khnam na keren ke intellectual constituency hapring ilai banai bangalit syaki khasi areas mo lead lut baro ngai ka purom nam ta jongki para bangi pai chikin non tribal ki follow citizen ki bidon nang rekat ki bla ha bla he hang ni po state ko jongi ki khlam kan tai ki khlam refuse nga arti yong ole nga hold tang ki public meeting ngayo khat aspa but this time madon ka confident namar ba ngadi ubriu ba nang yang ha kaju kanong rip mar ban yo ka confident ka banikong kalong ba nya ban yang scam kanong rip kanang bangila pat ban bandep ke ka bangi nga kan specifically na ko banta ki po nan product hang ni po state ka jong ngam kare ni kita berawan menit ba ngam dong kam hiru na kita ki buat menit mo mar ngatrai kila mat ya ta ka to so baktang mo marangi pai national party every little decision ki hapni mare export Delhi di ngadon ke jengit ke baskem bakani ke dika state assembly bagi pai bahi kan ai kala klenti khamtam ya regional party mengilak dengan pendep ke aspiration ke joki
In the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Bujli no ya ta ka uniform ko jongpi
ngai ko makanang bahasbon bat ka prospect jong ka NPP di entire state ka wat ni aim bangin cross ya ka magic number and hopefully ka wedding na kalian jong ipai ba namar kimdon ka way pat ka alternative ka khamba ka try vote in favor of our party NPP.
So will you be getting absolute majority?
Yes, why not? This is what we wanted and we working hard. Still time we have. Okay.
Nakaliang gini ki regional party ki ong ba ka NPP kamdon area hapo garhel sebat ka supen thami ka pa hapo relom kasi bakin vote ya ka don yo bonong halor kata
Kebangadon benongong let us prove it on the third. On the counting day they will know exactly what's happening. Mo namar mentapi ki issue ki ong ba ka NPP di ke Timbi ke BJP kata dia tangi isu ban penmi na kamta ka NPP namar kimdon su kayo kawe ka daw kanu isu bandong ba NPP ka sinsiar kumta ka le kumta ka long kumta de hang ne kamot ki penmi isu ba ka NPP ka de ka Timbi jo ka BJP ten rei nga ngong api upai ba os nguthu ba ngingi feel la kamu namduna san pulai ngut 53 candidates but hanga hiru ang konstitusi jonga donu BJP candidate la dai kata bagi dekat tim B la dekat tim A de balen ya bu candidate kumta la dai banya don long la dai banya don understanding ten rei ngong pi candidate tangka issue election the ultimately nga I am sure ngadon ka jinget ke baskem ba ki pai ba jong jalam la ki long in favor of NPP ngaju i ka nga ya kan ni tengam la banong kanu ka parti ka ban yakun ban ngi so far ngong pi ka parti jungi kalong hakma namangi ni ken la kong no 31 32 plus will be able to get the ya kiwi pat ki parti ngam ong kum no ru bingi yakun ban no namadon ke jajaka bingi yakun le se bagi UDP don ke cakap ngi kun bat ka kongres don ke cakap ngi kun bat UBGP ru don ke cakap ngi kun bat UHSP kata kadika ka number 1 ni kamat ke bangsan kolong pi menta ka singi yang sangi mot ban launch ya ganeka mission document jungi ganeka printing ni badet maybe next week ilalah ban le kata de enrei ka ba hakamat ka objective jungi kolong ba number 1 ki ba ki ong ni kwa exchange dengan akan jiken baka change ka deban sedang nanong kondong from rural area ba pinikren ka change hasor ngathai ngamda idon kamdon kamlong effective that much deka kami fokus kolong ye kanong kondong ki issue jong kanong kondong number 1 ka rep karyang ka jigyo ajikot joki number 2 ka jaka puli ki education nang taki basic amenities ki ba ki don kam ya kata ka bangin fokus adin bau ba ai hangi ya kejeksini bangin yalam ya kesurkat after 3rd of March kabangadon ben ong kolong takan ni ya menta nga ong epi we will cross the bridge crossing the bridge meaning the magic number dengalah dikenangin yo 31 32 dia kata ka ben ong menyetre lang ban ong does not arise as of now the in case lada kidon ka lesidon ka jing bompoi siya majority ka absolute majority, ka simple majority, ya kata then we will sit down and then we will discuss accordingly.
Mentua pila ju ong teng ba, lada kadai ka kam ko bantau ka sarkar, wat lada haban yatre so dro ong long willing ban yatre temta balik nak pat banai ka jubab belum sebab halor kata.
Nga MP ha ka tu ka por nga try ka quotation ka bangai mga kadai na urlidar barim jung yu ba bibiling ba. Bah ka politics baduk soid habis relang. Meaning ke jimut kata ke jimut kalong ba teng pi ngi ke politician ngi hap ngoi ya ki pills ki baktang tam no pimbansi ngi hap ngoi ki pills ki baktang tam namar ba kum ki nong yalam kum ki politician ya keren so tang hak constituency level mo abi keren constituency level la de menta pin ong bi pension no ya gitu ki nong gitu ki basyun ya pi le ne ki bom kersian ya pi kai banjia kabamot pihak ngoj ong yu tau puli baktat namal ngai le ding akwa bakita ki bom kersian yang aru ultimately hadin mangalong we mele kabamot ngidai ban yetrelang ndakam ta kai na mta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki pa ba ka constituency tika kaju kalong ha kaju kurukam habi keren je state bro ko habi keren je state bro ko we denak ta da bang oping akut katu bawat baruk so i haban yetrelang ha ka politics kan de kata ban nakam ta ka jing ba jong pa ba ngi hab ban ngoj ya ukuli baktan tam ha ka jing im I don't know, Rahul Gandhi, I've been meeting him so many times. I have already told him that the present leadership is not at all up to the expectation of the people. So we add these grievances, and I've told him, if possible, you change. But nothing happened. Therefore, we leave the party ultimately.
And there is nothing like anti-incumbency. You are afraid of anti-incumbency.
No, the question of anti-incumbency does not arise. Because as of today, I'm telling you, my principle is what? My colleague who left the Congress party is because of what? Whenever you ask them, they'll say only one point. The point is the leadership issue.
So Rahul Gandhi did not do anything. He did not listen to your grievances.
Yes, the High Command did not do anything. We have already met them also so many times. We already met them so many times, and nothing is done. So therefore, ultimately, we have to leave. We have to leave the party.
So thay chalo nak job man kini ngeruhajar tam. Dia isu jikir men ngila dem job lepas. Saman sunyo ikut. Ta te kali ke basah ke po nongkrem.
Alor kinu ki nongrem ong ba.
Kebaning kong ke nongkrem kalau ba tip ke nongkrem konstitusi borok kowe. Kilong agensi ka mudah. Di mentang ngila kalau long ke jil ngok ke bakrau ba hakini ki por ki belak dep. Ki buri ya ketuk amendment ke balawan ra hak arah jasa. Kemudian Meghalaya Town Country Planning Act 1973 lathaw ya kada hibrio ki ba kensai jong bibiling do RS ring do SD khawir bar khoi itu bat ka long ka ba syai kidar nomor ba ka Meghalaya ngi di balkan ma ba ka article 244 within bracket 2 range kawang ba the provision of the 6th schedule shall apply to the administration in the tribal areas of Meghalaya. Di nama saya any act baka assembly ka pass ki haban bu yung tu ka provision ka baong ba it shall apply to the whole of Meghalaya excluding the autonomous districts. provided that if this council so desires, then they can extend. So that part was there in 1973. But in 2004, they have amended the Meghalaya Town Country Planning Act. They have omitted that part. Section 1, subsection 2, they have omitted along with the proviso. They have omitted. So they have just put, it shall come into force at once. And at that time, the MLA of Nongkrem constituency was Lambor Maliang. He was also a minister of weight and measure. How can the people of Nongkrem constituency elect this man who was responsible for passing of that act in 2004? Madariting and like God now they are under the Muda. So as soon as the people come to know about this, they will not support this Lambor Maliang. And on top of that, after Lambor Maliang came Aden Bersaimoy from 2008 2018. And he did not bring an amendment in the assembly to oppose this amendment made in 2004. He should have demanded in the floor of the house to reinsert that section, subsection 1 and subsection 2, section 1 of the Meghalaya Town Country Planning Act. He did not do that. He has failed as an MLA to protect the interests of Nongkrem constituency and as a whole of the tribal areas in Meghalaya. And what he did only a drama. He called a meeting from Malki to oppose Muda. He should have raised it inside the house. He should not shout outside the house. By shouting outside the house, I call it is the nexus between Aden Bersaimoy and Mukul. That's why we call Muda Mukul under dealing with Arden. Just fool the people by shouting outside against the Buddha by bringing that procession. All of you know about that. So he did not raise inside the house. He has failed as an MLA. 10 years he has failed to raise this point inside the house. So now I have convinced before we joined NPP, we met the functionaries, top functionaries of the NPP. We discussed about this and they agreed that Section 1, Subsection 2 of 1973 of Meghalaya Town Country Planning Act should be reinstated. That's why they have accepted to re-examine this amendment of 2004. Ngila hikot ngila sam Murakawi constituency ladaka Nongkrem constituency ki pediang yang muda they may support Lambor Maliang or Aden Bersaimoy. If they are against Muda, they should not support these two MLAs, ex-MLA, because they have failed to protect the interests of the people. Ulala kulumar palat ulai pelong meeting haka art hundai tarik halingkir siap ban blok ki beri benuman sekarali jongi haka liulong. Kami permission nang ni napo. Kami without permission, you hold a public meeting. This is an indirect complaint that the sitting MLA, he did not get the order permission from the district election officer, but he hold a meeting on the 29th morning up to 10 o'clock in order to prevent the people not to come to my rally at Liulong on the 29th. And again, yesterday he hold a meeting at Mamutho. He was driven away by the village authority. They went to want kilik kaying jong way kawi kaying nang tar gila sabe nang takilap kini ki officer jong election line squad. Kini ki kam jong nomor ula panik pala shifting pala nomor dan cakashu. MLA ula rem pa. Uno nomor ban pedeng ka Nongkrem dan mukwa ban ajai pa. Na pedeng ki Nongkrem ki asultanat ki lai je tu ke tho asid. Meghalaya compulsory registration of marriage, where after they have do the wedding inside the church, have to come to DC office. That we have done. We have the government of Meghalaya has delete those rules. It is allowed for the licensing officer to submit the report to the government. Laki isu ngila drip job lepa. Tino terkadau kini ki argut hiki ex-MLA uba Lambor Maliang but uba Aden Bersaimoy kila feel. Nomor hangte kilong totally against yang muda. Dikata ke dia but nang ta sagaway pat ke issue jong ba Aden Bersaimoy. Wan rai ka 371. Lani G ko kami soram. Udi ban sulto ban puli ya ka art ya ka 6 schedule paragraph 20A bala dissolve ya ka Mizoram District Council. But that thong to cease to exist. Namar they have been given the power of the 371A and G like Mizoram given the power of 371A like Nagaland. So, but Aden Bersaimoy wong dan ki District Council la po Mizoram. Ka District Council Mizoram they shoot jong miso. Jong kilai ki mara ki cakma. Wadan dei ban sutu ya kata. Upan nama haba ura ya kendi ka 371 hapo assembly kung resolution tang supun syai mukul lo withdraw. Umlapan face ya Dr. Mukul. Percaya Dr. Mukul lo withdraw. Kumno ya ka baula withdraw hapo ka house supun long issue jong ka political party. That is foolish. If you want to make it a policy of the party in the election, he should stick to it inside the house. He has withdrawn inside the house, and to the ignorant people, he said this is the issue 371.
Legal notice against you.
You see, if we go by that standard of Adan Basemoy, there will be so many court cases as of now. BJP against Congress against NPP, and so on and so forth. So it is childish. It's childish for Adan Basemoy to ask for apology. He should enlighten it, explain it to the people. I have not done so. It's okay. By telling him that he went to the house of Dr. Mukul Sangma, I should apologize. That was a fact.
And also agent of Mughal Sangma. He was an agent of Mughal Sangma also.
Oh yes, he said he was. He was inside the house. He did not stay together with the UDP and the NPP. He formed a separate group, an opposition group. He was a team B of the Congress. Who can deny that?
I reached after having been nominated as a candidate to fill the seat in the 22 Sabah Trustee Legislative Assembly, to swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as the law established, uphold the sovereignty and integrity. Iya, konsumsi cuma. Kalau nggak konsumsi, kalau nggak sekri lah tak tapun. Kalau lajan baro kilong ye, kila yo macam apa? Persangkat pala ahipor banga. Sekri yaki, mana aja tapun. Lalu halak kena bentah bat ngalayo itu tinggi jadi bat mengaruh lah ini baik bal jom kum mga iya jadi iya kesem kum mga iya jadi koniti lah iya jadi baik bal jom konsumsi jadi ang nốt của chúng ta long và dan la và yarap kham tam ye ki samla pule ki bala dep ye ki kam pule jo ki kakur par pa kedon bana rai play hak musngi ka bangilong ka very big public meeting soyong hakapa ka kur paro ko wi kadli kadon hadin